You excited? Where are you going?
Japan.
Japan? What are you gonna do in Japan? Don't know. Where are you going?
Japan?
What are you gonna do in Japan?
Find some new things?
You wanna see? You wanna get things?
Yeah.
What things?
Anime.
Anime.
3 lunch boxes.
Oh, 3 talaga?
Like Gia.
Oh, it has to be
Because I
3.
want to.
Okay, so you lunch boxes and you anime stuffs. Okay. Everyone.
Fantasies for later.
Hello.
I'm so tired.
How about you? How are you? Tired?
Magdadala nito. Mawala ako to, mabitbit. Hindi ko dala yan ha. Pag naihiwan ko yan. Sabihin mo na lang pag ako magdadala.
Bakit bumigat yung pagod?
Sasakay sa train. Yung to transfer. Oo, sasakay ka. Pila tayo.
I used the bullet train.
No, it's not a bullet train. Just a transfer train.
Walang pake kasi yung babaeng kayo na pa ito. Walang pake.
Yung may bag na yun.
Hindi niya nakaramdaman yun.
Siyempre parang dapat conscious ka kasi may bag ka, di ba?
Hmm. Hindi, alam niya na rin afterwards.
Nakapokus siya sa ano eh. Sa...
Busy sa pagkapag ang tuwan eh.
Are we going to sleep at midnight?
Walang ano. Di ba nagganyan tayo dati? So ito po yung nakuha naming Airbnb.
Medyo ako sila nag-zoo, nag-ano.
I was right in the bathroom.
So ito po yung nakuha naming Airbnb. Wala pong elevator. Tapos nasa top floor po kami. Parang may kahalong pagkisisi na po yung mga mukha nila.